Hello friends, English dictation 100 words per minute. Be ready, start para. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship with loan assistance from the World Bank manages a program called Skill Acquisition and Knowledge Awareness for Livelihood Promotion Sankalpa. It aims to improve short term skill training qualitatively and quantitatively through strengthening institution, bringing in better market connectivity, and enhancing the inclusion of marginalized section of society. Launched in January 2018, Sankalpa will run through March 2023. Pyara Sankalpa is focused on three key result areas. These are institutional strengthening at central, state, and district levels, quality assurance of skill development programs, and inclusion of marginalized population in such programs. Institutional strengthening aims to bridge the gap between the skill development efforts of different states and decentralizing capacity building. Accordingly, capacity building initiatives are distributed across all entities involved in planning, implementation, and monitoring of skill building from the Panchayati Raj institution to the newly constituted district skill committees, state skill development missions, and at the national level with National Skill Development Corporation, National Council of Vocational Education and Training, and other bodies. Pyara, the second component of quality assurance is intended to improve the employability of trainees. Therefore, Sankalpa focuses on infusing quality in training and learning in technical and vocational education and training by ensuring that the educational and vocational training curricula adopt a market driven approach through the guidance of master trainers and industry endorsement. The training of potential teachers is emphasized and standardized through a committee focused on creating an efficient course structure for learners. Pyara. Finally, Sankalp strives to provide an equal platform to all sections of society, particularly to individuals from historically marginalized communities. It achieves this through a twofold approach. The first understands the challenges faced by these sections of society and develops pilot programs to address these challenges, while the second builds a bottom up approach with the participation of skill development machinery at the state and district level that can account for India's diverse social, geographic, and economic characteristics. Some of the programs undertake include a gender action plan that seeks to augment women's inclusion in skilling and the labor market, skill training on gender inclusion, and prevention of sexual harassment at the workplace, and skill development and entrepreneurship pilot programs for persons with disabilities. Stop.